Hey boos! So it is Sunday, August 29th, and it's 11:18 right now, and it's and my dog's right here, and she's scared. So I'm just eating some toast. I'm gonna make us to look a little bit presentable on here, but I'm eating some toast because I'm so hungry. I didn't know what I really wanted, but my mom ate menudo, so I'll probably have that for like later on because I didn't want to eat that like right now because I don't want my stomach to hurt. And I did do my nails orange. If y'all can see, it's coming out really weird. It's really a pumpkin orange. It's really pretty. It was called jack-o'-lantern. So you know, like a pumpkin orange, that's what it looks like. On camera, it's coming out really bad. Oh my god. But yeah, but I just want to show y'all, like, throughout the week I went a little bit of shopping. Because I do start school. Actually, tomorrow I do start school. I do start cosmetology. So maybe tomorrow I can do like a get ready with me for cosmetology school. I don't know if y'all like to see those kind of videos, if I can like post or anything. I did do a little bit of school shopping, but it was just like a notebook, very little. But like I did with the Marshalls, I got some goodies. I got like some shirts I wanted to show y'all. But I think I'm gonna have to kind of like a lazy day. I gotta like vacuum my carpet, like just like clean around. I might clean my makeup brushes because I haven't cleaned them in a while, so I might clean those. So I have new ones for tomorrow. And yeah, I'm trying to figure out like what scheduling should I do for posting. I'm just gonna see how this week goes and see like how I should be posting because I gotta work around my schedule now. So, and oh boys, look, I got a new phone case. Finally, my pink one was like all ugly and beat up. It's this light brown color, and I'll link it on my like to know it. If you go down to my description, there's this like to know it, and you follow me. And go on my like to know it, follow me, and you can like find out where this case is from. And I got a new screen protector. But the thing is, it's not that dark as my other one. I put a new screensaver because I was trying to get into that fall, but like not too much fall, but just like kind of get there. Gold flower print, and then just like a light brown case. Looks super cute. Just something. Okay, so I'm gonna start putting my makeup. I just did a little bit, just like touch on my brow. I didn't want to do like a full on like sculpt my brows out. I just wanted to like touch in like the little ball spots. I'm just gonna do like a light makeup, not too much, because I don't feel like putting like a whole glam right now. So I'm gonna cover out my eyes. For some reason, I don't know if it's my makeup brush, because I have two makeup brushes. One I was using to carve out my eyebrows with my Born This Way, right? And I started noticing I started getting like hives on my eyelids, and I was freaking out. I was getting like hives there and like around my eye. I was like, what is it? And I thought maybe it's the brush or the concealer, because every time I use it, I started to get hives like every time I use it. So I stopped using this, and I was using my e.l.f. one. It's a little light because I got tan, so it's like a little light on me, but like so far it's been not giving me hives. And the brush, I use a new brush because I don't know what it is. I don't want to retry it because I don't want to get an infection again. Well, not an infection, but like hives. But yeah, I was like, well, what the heck's going on? Like all of a sudden, like maybe it's the concealer that's expired, but like I don't know. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna cover my eyebrows. I'm really running out of concealer. I should have got a concealer when I was out at the source. Gosh dang it. Oh my god, it looks really white on here. I should have got me a new one when I was at the source. But this concealer is really good. I have another concealer. It's my Tarte one. That one's like a full coverage, and it really doesn't match that well. Since I got tan, my makeup, I have to like change it up a bit. So I have to mix like a foundation and a, what is this? Yeah, like a hyaluronic foundation, and I was mixing it with my CC cream, just like something very light. But this is like too dark and this is too light. So like I mix it. I don't feel like mixing today. I wonder if I can use my, let me see if I can use this. I can do a pump. See how this goes. Should I use a brush? I want to use a beauty sponge, so I'm gonna go wet my beauty sponge real quick. I need to clean this too. Oh my lord. Pretty well. I saw in the restroom It kind of like it matches me, the shade. I don't know. I'm just like mixing colors here. Oh, and yeah, guys, I finally got cool lights in my restroom. So, you know, the lighting's way better whenever I do vlogging in the restroom, like little clips. So now it's gonna look a lot better. Yeah. And plus, we were wanting to do cool lights all around the house because it makes it look nicer and brighter instead of like the warm lights. So that's what my parents are doing. And all of a sudden, I got this pimple right before school starts. I get this pimple, and I've been putting pimple patches to help go down, and I'm just waiting for it just to go away, hopefully. I'm like, great. I might have to take pictures. I'm gonna have this on my forehead. Love that. So it kind of matches me pretty well. A little pinkish, I think. Oh wait, let me use a little bit of my Tarte one. Just a little bit. I mean, I have a lot in here. Okay, because this is like full coverage, and I really don't want like that full coverage right now. So I'm just gonna do like a light layer. Even though like my face is looking really white. Oh my god. It's this powder. I really want to try the, what's it called? The rice. What's it from? It's from Sally's. It's that brand. I used to have the blotting sheets. Oh my god, what's it called? I forgot. It's something with a P. I can't remember. But I want to try the powder. I need to get like a yellow powder for my under eyes. And still, I'm kind of like having a hard time finding like a good bronzer for my face. Oh my goodness. Like, sometimes my bronzer won't look as matching as like my suntan. Like, I have like really dark ones or really orangey ones. And so far my NARS one I bought a while back, not a while back, but it kind of matches me, I believe. So I'm just trying to find something that kind of matches like my skin tone. Spray my face a little bit just for the powders to melt. Highlight. I'm gonna use the Anyssa Glow Kit. I don't even know if they still sell this, but I should put the fan to my face. Okay, just like to lighten up my face a little bit. And I'm just gonna do probably mascara. I'm just gonna do a lash curler, my primer from L'Oreal, and then my Bang mascara. So I'm gonna curl my lashes. Let that really dry, and then I'll like lightly curl them again so it can be like extra curled. And yeah, I'm like basically done. For lippies, I might just do Bare from LA Girl liner and just like kind of, okay. And then for a lippy, I think I'm gonna do Exposed by Kylie Cosmetics. I'm back, booze. So I'm gonna show you all the stuff I got from Marshalls. Well, first let me show you what I got at Target. Like I said, I got some Mighty patches. I already opened it because I needed it. And then I got this new brand of nose strips because I need nose strips and I wanted to try a different brand, and these are the Lift Off Portraits by Topface, and you get 8 strips, and they were pretty good. They're really cute. If I knew they had the pimple patches, I would have got those. Try them out, but this is what they look like. Same thing when you open it and you got your nose. It's like the same print, and it's like super cute. So I got those from Target, and then I got like some snacks for like lunch and all that. I don't know if y'all care to see that. So I got lunch. I got that from Target, and then from Marshall's, I want to do like a quick pre-fall clothing because I don't have time to go shopping. So I want to go to see what Marshall's had. I haven't been there in a while. Oh, I got this from Target too. Oh my god. So I got this shirt because I don't have a black crop t-shirt. I got the white one a few months ago. I got this white one in the V and the round. I did it in my packing video, but I got the black version because they didn't have the black, and now they have it. So I got it in the black because you can never go wrong with a black tee because these are a staple to have in your closet. Okay, from Marshall's. Okay, first I got this cute little crop tank top. It's really cute. It has my favorite print, cheetah, and it's super cute. I'll probably do like a try on haul. They're probably like quick, easy fall outfits. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Really cute. I love the print with the black thin straps, and then the print's cheetah. And this cost $7.99. Really cheap and affordable, but cute and stylish. So that's what I got. I haven't hung these up yet because I want to wait for a video. And then I got another tank top, but this one's like a nudie one. I don't have like a nude tank top, and I thought this was really cute. Same kind of style, but this is like a little more round neck. Not round neck, but like more scoop. The other ones are kind of like a V. And this is what it looks like, and I got them in all mediums, and this was $5.99. Super cute. So I didn't have a nude one. I definitely need a nude one, so that was a steal. And lastly, I got this cute little shirt, and it's for $5.99, and it's just like this mauvey, like a mauvey color. How do you explain this color? But yeah, I got this like mauvey color. You know, you can wear some black leather pants, some jeans. So I got this one, super cute. I was gonna get another one, but like it showed too much of like side boob, and I was like, no. So these are the shirts I found really cute, affordable, and if you haven't gone by Marshall's, go check them out because they have some cute, amazing little tank tops. I like love that because like you can always dress them up, or you can just wear it like that if you want with some jeans. Okay, so my boyfriend got me this purse because I was like under the weather. Remember, I told you like I was a little sick, so he got me like a get well present. So this is the purse I've been wanting from Amazon. It's kind of like the dupe for the Louis style, the one that has like the coin, and then it comes with 2 little purses, but this didn't come with another one. But I like the style of it. You know, I don't have a black mini purse, and I really wanted one, so this is what it looks like. It was like $20-something. I honestly don't remember, but it's super cute. It has this gold little chain. Oh, let me flip it. So it has this gold little chain in front, and it's just like, you know how like the Louis, you can take off the straps, wear it with just the chain, or you can wear it with the chain like this, or take this off, however you want. And they do have a nude one, and I really want to get that one. And I was like, ah! So he got me this black purse. So this is like the purse I've been using so far, because my other nude one got really like dirty, like really falling apart because I've been using it a lot, and I didn't have like a black little purse that I can just like hurry up and take and go, you know, something easy I can go like shopping with, or you know, whatever. And I didn't have a black one, so the only black purse I have was my big MK, but like sometimes you don't want to use it all the time, so I need another purse. So he got me this one. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the purse. This is my go-to purse so far lately. It's cute for fall, winter. So if you're just getting any ideas for anybody or you, these are good gift ideas. It's really cheap and affordable. So if you want to get this, go on Amazon, and I'll probably show this on my Like to Know, so y'all can go on there and follow, so you can go straight to the link and y'all can go purchase them. So yeah, that's like what I recently got, just little things. I did get some fall things, but I'm not gonna show that now, probably later on, because I feel like it's a little too early. So probably in a week or two I'll start showing like what I got things for fall, like decoration ideas, maybe more clothing. I'll do it, but yeah, those I'll catch up later when I'm doing something.